Problem number 4. How many ways can the letters in the word 20 be arranged? Well, let's see. My hint to you would be, first of all, to take a look at the letters in the word 20, right? We've got 6 letters, but we have 2 T's that are indistinguishable. But my hint to you would be to pretend like those 2 T's are distinguishable first, okay? And if they were distinguishable, you could probably figure out how many ways to arrange those letters. And then think about how much you overcounted by assuming that these T's were distinguishable. Okay? I don't know if that makes much sense. If you haven't done these problems before, it might not make much sense. But let's take a look at that. All right, so we have six letters in the word 20. And if they were all different letters, then we would have 6 choices for the first, 5 choices for the second letter, 4 choices for the third, 3 for the fourth, and 2 for the fifth, and then we'd have one more and we just have to use it, so there'd be one choice. Okay? So if all of the letters were different, we'd have 6 factorial ways of arranging those letters. Okay, that's just the definition of factorial. Whenever you have a number like, so 5 factorial would be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, factorial is just the product of that number and each of the consecutive numbers less than that down to 1. Okay, so 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is factorial. And so that would be the number of ways that we could arrange the letters in the word 20 if they were all different letters. Okay? But let's take a look at this. I actually made these distinguishable by calling this one T1 and this one T2. But this would be another way to spell 20. Right? So this permutation here actually counts this as being different from this. But if the T's are indistinguishable, then this is really the same. Okay, does that make sense? So for every arrangement of the letters in this word, we're going to have 2 ways to arrange the T's. So say we have the word, let's see, T1, T2, what letter am I missing? Oh, the N. Okay, so say that is one of our words. Then this would also be another one. But if the T's are indistinguishable, then these are really the same thing. So really we've overcounted, and for every arrangement of the word of these letters, we've got twice as many as we should have, because the T's are actually indistinguishable, right? So if you take away the 1s and the 2s here, these look exactly the same. So what we have to do is we have to divide this by the number of ways to arrange these 2 T's, which is just 2, right? We just have 2 ways to arrange the 2 T's. So if we divide this by 2, that's our answer. So let's figure out what that is. We can just cancel the 2 here, whoa, and then we have 30 times 12, which is 360. And that's the answer.